So today we're here at our Fire Station 1 celebrating Fire Prevention Week. This is a week that's a month actually that's meant to highlight fire prevention. It started with some of the largest fires that our country has seen, the Great Chicago Fire as well as the Fitchburg Fire. Both happened on the same day in October, way back when. And we're here to hopefully teach our people how to be as fire safe as possible. So today we've got several vendors. We have all of our apparatus here on display. We've got Sparky going around, making sure that everybody's keeping themselves behaved and showing them around. But each of our trucks, our crews, we're doing some evolutions with our extrication crew. So they're going to be out showing people how to be removed from a car, how we do our job out on the street. We have other vendors here. We've got Dane County 911. We've got Fitchburg Police. Fitch-Rona EMS has got an ambulance here. Army National Guard is right over there with a Humvee, and we have Dane County's Command Vehicle 1, which goes out to all special events or as needed for events in the city. We also share our space here in Station 1 with Safe Kids Coalition, and they're of course here to teach people about car seat safety and boating safety and bicycle safety and other things like that. We want people to come out and see us, meet us, learn from us. We'll teach you any questions that you have, right? So if you've got questions and you've wanted to ask a firefighter, today's your day. Come on out. We'll be happy to chat with you and teach you anything you need to know. Along the way, we'd love to teach you about some ways to stay fire safe. First and foremost, in your kitchen, never leave your kitchen or your food, your cooking unattended, right? Make sure that you stay with whatever it is that you're cooking. Second of all, make sure that you know 2 ways out of your house, right? If there becomes a fire in your house, we want everybody to know how to get out of their house. We also want them to identify a meeting space outside of their home. Maybe a mailbox, a big tree in the yard, a certain parking area, whatever it happens to be, but find your family so everybody goes to the same place. And last but not least, we'll have all sorts of other information about carbon monoxide, just general household safety tips, you name it, we're here to help you learn about it. This is our day to shine. We're all here. We're hoping that the public comes out because this is their house, this is their equipment, this is their space, and we want everybody to learn about how we do our job and what we have staffed and have for equipment, right? The better informed everybody is, the safer they can be. And it helps sort of open up that space so that people can ask questions about their own homes. What do I want people to know? I want people to know that we work for you, right? What we do is not for the fire department and not for anybody but the public that we serve. So we are all here in uniform, trying to do our best to make sure that everybody has a chance to come out, ask us the questions that they've never had the chance to ask, talk to us, learn from us, and we want to learn from you. What are the needs that you have out in the community?